What's the current pitch for XRP? I say this with no disrespect. I'm genuinely looking for an answer. What is the actual use case for XRP today? Not triple the company, not their partnerships. I mean the token itself. Because let's be real, the landscape has changed. Western Union just chose Solana for their stablecoin. Swift, which was always part of the XRP pitch for years, is now using Linea on Ethereum. And stablecoins? They've completely taken over the payments narrative. I understand their utility, but when you take all that into account, what's really left for XRP? Before we go further, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice, just my personal opinion and analysis. If you enjoy honest, nuanced crypto discussions like this, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. So here's where I'm at. For years, the XRP pitch was all about global remittances, faster, cheaper cross-border payments. And the idea that banks and institutions would rely on XRP as a bridge currency, that was the story. But here we are, decades later, and that vision hasn't really materialized. In 2025, the cross-border market has shifted towards stablecoins and tokenized fiat on faster chains. Solana, for example, just launched its first ETFs and continues to dominate the payments conversation with cheap, fast, and scalable transactions. Ethereum and its layer 2s are powering entire financial systems through tokenized assets, RWAs, and yes, stablecoin rails that actually work in practice. Meanwhile, XRP feels like it's still trying to convince the market it's relevant. And I'm not saying that as a hate. I'm saying it as someone who's watched this narrative for years. The XRP ledger itself is fast, reliable, and battle-tested. But what I don't see is organic demand for the token. Not from retail, not from institutions, not even from builders. And the numbers really tell the story. XRP's network activity has been flat for years, as per XRP scan data. The ledger still averages around 25,000 active daily accounts, the same as 3 years ago. Solana, by comparison, has over 2.5 million daily active accounts. That's 100 times more. XRP handles about 1.5 million daily transactions, which sounds solid until you realize Solana pushes over 100 million a day. Even in payment volume, the gap is massive. XRP processes roughly $50 to $60 billion a month, while Solana's stablecoin transfer volume alone in October was nearly $2 trillion. People often dismiss these numbers, saying Solana's traffic is fake or bot-driven, but that argument doesn't hold up. The thing is, both Solana and XRPL have similarly low fees. So if Solana's on-chain usage is real, and it looks like it is, it's hard to ignore how far XRP has fallen behind. For a network that's been around for over a decade, the traction just doesn't match the narrative anymore. Supporters will argue that XRP's value is foundational, that it's the native settlement asset of its own ledger, just like Bitcoin or ETH are for theirs. And I agree, that's true, but that's not the same thing as adoption. Bitcoin has a $1 trillion narrative. Ethereum powers DeFi and NFTs. Solana now has ETFs and an exploding ecosystem. XRP, on the other hand, still relies mostly on the hope that one day the world's financial infrastructure will need it. I just don't see that happening anymore. Especially now that Swift and other major payment networks are building on Ethereum-compatible rails. The competition has evolved. The XRP pitch feels like it's stuck in 2017, when bank adoption was the main crypto dream. Look, I'm not saying XRP is dead. The tech works. It's efficient. But in a market where speed, cost, and liquidity are no longer unique advantages, it's hard to see a compelling reason for new money to flow into XRP. Unless there's a major utility shift or a new killer use case, the token's story feels more nostalgic than visionary. If you've been holding XRP for years, I get it. Loyalty runs deep. But as an investor, I want to see progress, not just promises. So I'll keep watching, but for now, the market's message seems clear. The world moved on, and XRP still hasn't found its next chapter. If you agree, or if you completely disagree, drop a comment below. Let's have the conversation. And don't forget to subscribe, because we got a lot of videos coming up, so don't miss them.